It's also no secret that celebrities like to travel in style, which is why several celebs have their own private jets. Some of these aircrafts have been purchased with their own money, and others have been given to the celebrities as gifts. Welcome to our channel, and today we have here focused on the top 10 celebrities' luxurious private jets. 10. Sergey Brin and Larry Page. Brin and Page own the Google One, also known as the Google Jet. The jet is worth $25 million, and is just another indication of how well the company is doing. The bright green, yellow, red and blue colors that make up the Google logo are painted on the side of the plane, and each of the windows on the jet is fashioned to look like the letter O. Nine. Bill Gates, who is one of the masterminds behind Microsoft, has a Bombardier Global Express that is worth $40 million. Of course, his private jet also includes a number of tech-savvy perks. 8. Mark Cuban. He is known for his savvy investing skills, and for owning the Dallas Mavericks team. He has a Boeing 767-277 that is worth $144.1 million, which is impressive to say the least. Once the aircraft completed a transatlantic trip, Cuban decided that he wanted to buy the plane. 7. Elvis Presley. He had an impressive private jet that he named Lisa Marie, after his daughter. The plane had a bedroom and bathroom. The bathroom included a tub made of gold, as well as gold faucets. 6. Donald Trump. Trump's aircraft is worth $100 million, and Trump actually purchased the used aircraft from Paul Allen, who is the co-founder of Microsoft. Of course, Trump made some renovations to the jet, including painting his name on the side of the jet, in 23-karat gold. 5. Tom Cruise. Cruise owns a Gulfstream 4 that is worth $36 million. The jet has room for 19 passengers, and can get as high as 45,000 feet in the air. Two Rolls-Royce T611-8 engines power the plane, and the aircraft can get to a speed of Mach 0.80. 4. Jay-Z. Rapper and businessman Jay-Z got a private jet as a gift from his wife Beyoncé. Jay-Z's Bombardier Challenger 850 Learjet is worth $40 million, and is pretty much a small house in the sky. 3. Jim Carrey. He now owns a Gulfstream V. This plane is one of the safest private jets in the world, and is also known for its high performance. Carrey can enjoy a trip on his jet with 15 of his closest friends. The Gulfstream V travels almost as quickly as the speed of sound. 2. John Travolta. The veteran actor is the proud owner of a Boeing 707-138. The aircraft must be worth quite a lot, since information on the price is not easily disclosed. The jet is parked at his Florida home. The 60-year-old actor has flown over 35,000 miles on his own, so it's likely that his family and friends are comfortable flying with him. 1. Oprah Winfrey. Of course, the undisputed queen of media and owner of the OWN network has a private aircraft. The aircraft is worth $42 million, and is certainly not a bad way to travel to meetings and vacations. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.